In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change meeting dates and hours in Outlook calendar. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to change your details on meeting dates or even hours, log into your Outlook account and go to your account here, and you should see on top we have a settings gear. If you click on this, you'll be taken to the settings bar, and under it, go to calendar. As you can see, we have under view. You can make changes on meeting hours or even work days for the week. Now you can check or uncheck the days you want the meetings to happen by just clicking on any of them as you wish. To change the meeting hours, we have here starting time and end time. If you wish to change this, say from 8 a.m. to 8:30, you can click on the drop down, choose the time, and the end time you can also adjust it from here as you wish. Once you have made the changes, now click on save here, and this will be saved. So that's how you can change your meeting dates and even hours in Outlook calendar. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.